We should adopt a variety of methods. Is it really the right approach for everyone to say that all plastics are bad and we should stop using them altogether? When it comes to things without any carbon, there are very few. Everything else contains carbon atoms. Carbon is a fundamental material in our lives, our society, and even our existence. I believe there are many renewable resources available. For example, one could consider carbon dioxide as a potential ultimate carbon resource. Furthermore, biomass, which consists of non-edible parts and currently is often only used for combustion, could be considered ideal if it were utilized not for generating heat energy, but rather for producing necessary materials. If we could convert waste plastic into useful products, it could also contribute to an ideal resource recycling flow. If you drink water from a PET bottle, then throw it into the river, that makes you the villain, and this will become harmful. However, if you make sure to recycle this properly after drinking, PET bottles can now be recycled into new bottles. So instead of drinking water from PET bottles, some may believe that drinking water from paper packs is more environmentally friendly. However, that may not be the case. The paper part can be recycled, but the inner polyethylene layer usually ends up being discarded. When looking at the big picture, it is important to consider whether these actions are truly reducing environmental impact. Is it really the right approach for everyone to say that all plastics are bad and we should stop using them altogether? I hope you all take this into consideration.